Alright, it's a 2014 Kia Forte. We're going to be doing the rear brake pads on this vehicle. I don't have replacement hardware, so I won't be replacing the hardware, but I'll show you guys how to just replace the pads. So, these 5 21mm lug nuts. You can try to leave one a little bit loose because these wheels, they always get stuck. I did brake pads on each wheel, and each one is stuck. See, it's just oh, that's funny. But they don't pop off. This one I got lucky, but they usually don't pop off. So I should move this lug nut. All right. Now we got this wheel off. Now you can see why we're doing the rear brake pads. You can tell. But next thing we're gonna do is remove these two 14mm bolts. There we go. These 2 bolts. Just doing it by hand now. If you have the parking brake on, make sure you release it, otherwise you will not be able to take off this caliper. Now let's remove the rear pads. There we go. And now we're going to push in this piston. I'm using the actual tool, like this one right here, to push in the piston. The measurement for it is F, if you guys have this one. If not, where's she at? Here it is. This works. You just take your ratchet, it's 3/8 drives, and then you could just place it like so, and then you just turn it. But it's going to be easier for me to use the tool, so I'll show you how to use that one. Alright, just place this tool in here. See here, so you guys can see. It's going clockwise. Go. I think we're pretty good. Let me just double check. Yep, it's pretty good. Okay. Come on, girl. Listen up for me. There we go. Since I'm not replacing the hardware, I'm going to try to get a little anti-seize on the ears of this brake pad. Try to slow down any additional rust. There we go. Now we're back at the vehicle. Now let's place these brake pads. Like so. There we go. Same thing to the other side. Like that. Now we take our caliper and place it on the caliper bracket. Then you take your 214s. You start by hand. Top, bottom. There you go. Now tighten those down. Now let's put the wheel back on. There we go. Let's put the threads by hand. Go. Now let's tie these down. Alright. And once you're done that, you're done. And I'll see you guys on a test drive. Thank you guys. Don't forget to put your cap back on. Alright, get that tight. Alright, I'll see you guys in the test drive. After you put that cap on, close the hood. Let's take it for a test drive. Get inside the vehicle. I already started her up, but start it up, pump the brakes till it firms up. Once it firms up, release the parking brake. All the way down, and let's take it for a test drive. There we go. Okay. There we go. So pretty much test drive, we're just checking for any abnormal noises. Pedal to stay the same if you haven't had any issues with your caliper. And pretty much that's about it. And brake feel. Okay. Feels pretty good. Alright guys, that's about it. Always remember, for better, faster service, Quick Fix here. Thank you guys.